Have you ever woken up feeling bloated, struggling to go to the bathroom, or frustrated because you can't lose weight? If that sounds familiar, I have the solution: a simple, delicious, and powerful juice that reduces inflammation, keeps you full, improves digestion, and even helps you lose belly fat. Here on Healthy You, you'll discover practical recipes that transform your health, so go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel to get daily tips that will leave you feeling lighter and full of energy. Stay with me until the end to learn the secret to a flat belly and a healthy gut. If you want to reduce bloating, improve your digestion, and speed up your weight loss, this recipe is perfect for you. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, and let's dive into this incredible recipe. Today, I'm going to show you a juice that fights inflammation, reduces abdominal bloating, helps with satiety, and improves bowel movement. It's made with simple ingredients like oregano tea, green apple, carrot, turmeric, and ginger. Together, they're a powerhouse of benefits for your body. The gut is like our second brain, so taking care of it improves everything from immunity to stress and anxiety. And the best part, it's easy, quick, and inexpensive. Let's start with the preparation. First, we'll make the base of the juice, oregano tea. Just boil water, add the oregano, cover it, and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain the tea and set it aside. Oregano is amazing. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and helps increase good bacteria in the gut, which is great for overall health. While the tea is steeping, let's prepare the rest. Now, in a blender, add the strained oregano tea. Add 1 green apple, with the peel, because it's rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that increases satiety and helps your gut work better. Then add carrot, which is naturally sweet and full of insoluble fibers, perfect for forming stool and stimulating bowel movement, reducing gas and bloating. It also contains carotenoids, which are powerful antioxidants. Now, a touch of turmeric, which contains curcumin, one of the most studied anti-inflammatories, and a small piece of fresh ginger, an amazing natural anti-inflammatory. If you prefer powdered ginger, use a smaller amount. Blend everything very well. Important: don't strain the juice, because the fiber is essential for all these benefits. If you have questions about ginger and how it affects blood pressure, talk to your doctor or nutritionist. As for when to drink it, this juice is super versatile. You can have it for breakfast, as an afternoon snack, or even with lunch or dinner, replacing less healthy options like sodas. To get the most out of the turmeric, pair the juice with a healthy fat like olive oil, or a pinch of black pepper, which helps absorb curcumin. As for sweetening, I don't think it needs it. The apple and carrot already make the juice naturally sweet, with a gentle touch of ginger. But if you prefer, use a non-caloric sweetener like stevia to avoid insulin spikes and excess gas that worsen bloating. If this video helped you in any way, take a look at the resource I left in the description. It can help you lose weight without giving up flavor, with simple and delicious recipes that can completely transform your kitchen routine and help you reach your goals faster than you think. So, what do you think? This juice is delicious, easy to make, and will help you reduce bloating, improve digestion, and feel lighter. Tell me in the comments, what time of day are you going to drink this juice? Will you sweeten it or not? Like the video, share it with someone who needs this recipe, and subscribe to Healthy You for more tips that will transform your health. Make this juice and feel the difference. See you next time. Bye.